insects. And especially, we'll take a closer look at the real survival struggles they face when the rain begins to fall. In the Amazon, rain is not just a weather event. It's a force that defines life. Hours of relentless downpours, as if the sky is dumping water by the bucketful. For us humans, it may just mean getting wet. But for insects, it can be a disaster. Raindrops can have the same impact on them as boulders falling on us. For an ant or a caterpillar, a single drop can be fatal. They can drown, or their nests can be completely destroyed. So how do these creatures survive? Many insects take shelter under leaves, creating a natural hideout. Leaves become their umbrellas, sometimes even their armor. Some species are covered with water-repellent hairs. Thanks to this special structure, water simply rolls off them. Others can sense shifts in humidity and atmospheric pressure before the rain starts and retreat to safer, drier places. Ant colonies build intricate tunnels underground, designed to redirect water flow. Termites coat their nests with a special, water-resistant mud. These creatures are nature's engineers. Planning every detail to keep their homes intact and their colonies alive. But sometimes, no matter how prepared nature is, it can still be unforgiving. For many species, rain is a test. One that separates the weak from the strong. The Amazon rainforest is not just a shelter, it's a proving ground. Every raindrop reminds us of nature's power and of the insects' astonishing adaptability, resilience, and ingenuity. In these tiny bodies, there is a great battle for life hidden. Remember, the Amazon is not only home to towering trees, but also to microscopic heroes. And after every rain, a silent victory unfolds in the forest. So, what do you think is the most fascinating survival strategy among these tiny creatures? Share your thoughts in the comments.